Techies! Welcome back sa aking Liz Tech channel. So, Ate Liz is back again and very much excited and ready to unbox another brand new smartphone from Huawei. So, yes, this phone, guys, is Huawei Nova 9 SE. So, in this video, guys, let's see how advanced and powerful this Huawei's Nova 9 SE's camera, since they claim it, guys, na this phone is best photography and videography for younger generation. So, para malaman natin if totoo nga ba to, ayan, without further ado, guys, magsimula na tayo. So, yun na nga, ito na nga si Huawei Nova 9 SE, and ayan, as usual, napakasimple lang ng box nila. And inside the box is where you can find the unit with free clear case, USB Type-C cable, at meron siyang 66-watt Huawei Supercharge charger. So, now that you've seen what's inside of this box, let's go on na, guys, directly sa unit para makita nyo na agad, no? So, here na nga, etong si Huawei Nova 9 SE. Ayan, nakikita nyo na dyan. And by the way, the color that I chose is the crystal blue. Meron pa silang other color actually. But this crystal blue, guys, makikita nyo, it looks premium with its beautiful dazzling finish. Ang ganda ng kanyang finish, guys. I like the glossy effect and crystal clear texture. Makikita nyo naman dyan. It's 3D glass rear cover nga pala. And it's Star Orbit's ring camera module here. It gives the star-like glare refraction. So that makes the whole back design looks very nice, very enticing. Makita nyo naman dyan. And it's very different. And sinasabi pa nila, guys, that this is the element reminiscence of nature. Kaya nga pala siya fresh for me. It's very new para sa akin. So yes, I like its back design. How much more, guys, kung makita nyo itong kanyang other color na pearl white at ang kanyang midnight black. Ayan, so nakita nyo na yung design ni Huawei Nova 9 SE, and it's very nice. Puntahan natin yung screen naman niya, guys. So, as we turn on the screen, makita nyo dyan na it has an ultra narrow bezels na rin. And in fairness, guys, huge din yung kanyang screen. Meron siyang 6.78 inches with, of course, 90Hz Full HD Plus and 2388p by 1080p na screen display or screen resolution. And it's clear enough din for a better viewing experience. So, yun yung napansin ko sa screen. And diba, punch hole na siya. So, nice. Wala na yung mga notch design na nakaka-distract sa screen. So, wala nang ganon. So, now na nakita na natin yung display, let's go on naman sa system niya kung gaano ba ito kaganda. Good thing about this phone is it has latest EMUI 12. Ayan, yun yung operating system niya. And powered na rin po siya ng latest Snapdragon 680 processor. That processor for me is powerful enough naman to generate the system para magkaroon ng better and immersive experience. So, not only that, ka-techies, kasi ang maganda din dito, meron siyang malaking RAM na pwede nyo pagkapilian. It has 6GB and it has 8GB of RAM. And yung storage naman niya is malaki na rin, like 128GB ROM. So, para sa akin, enough na storage na rin yun para sa inyong mga files and photos and apps. Now, on its camera naman, guys, what's good thing about this Huawei Nova 9 SE is meron po siyang malaking main camera na 108MP. And makita nyo dyan sa likod, you will definitely experience a flagship-like camera performance. And it capture high-quality images, guys. May app gallery din siya. And itong app gallery, alam ko namang familiar na kayo. It is for top apps. So, sa mga favorite apps nyo, pwede nyo na ma-install using the app gallery. And meron din siyang petal clip video naman na another feature para mas easier yung experience din nyo sa video editing, lalo sa mga beginners. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-effort, mag-download ng mga complicated video editor para lang pag-edit. Kasi meron na siyang petal clip video editor. Now, let's go on naman sa kanyang performance sa charging. So, diretso na tayo sa charging, guys. Makikita nyo dyan na mabilis din po siyang i-charge. So, good thing, kasi si Huawei Nova 9 SE, meron po siyang supercharge tech where you can get almost 100% in just 43 minutes of charging. At meron pa siyang graphene cooling, kaya hindi iinit yung phone nyo while naka-charge siya. So, yun yung experience. Nakita nyo naman, ang bilis din pala nitong i-charge. Ayan. So, na-impress ako sa charging niya kasi napakabilis. Like, hindi mo na kailangan talagang mag-antay na sobrang habang oras para lang ma-fully charge ang phone. So, now, guys, nakita nyo na yung charging experience, charging performance. Let's go on na directly sa pinaka-target natin, the camera performance and the camera features. So, here, etong si Huawei Nova 9 SE. Makita nyo, the Huawei Nova 9 SE camera is so lit. It has 108 MP main camera, and the quality, guys, makikita nyo, it's very good and clear. And even sa outdoor sample shots, makikita nyo napaka-vibrant, no? And hindi din siya over yung saturation niya. The sharp details are perfectly fine. It also has high dynamic range. Thanks to its innovative 9-in-1 technology, it enhanced the pixel size to 2.1 micrometer. That makes image even brighter, better than the normal ones. Makikita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda. And I can also tell the results, guys. It's really Instagrammable. And not to mention pa the built-in filters. So, wala nang hassle, no? When editing your photos, less hassle and it's easier na for you. And I also like, guys, the portrait mode kasi may subtle beauty effect na siya. So, parang always camera ready na. Kahit wala ka pang makeup, always on the go na. Same goes sa kanyang front cam, yung 16MP front cam niya. You don't need makeups kasi meron na siyang subtle beauty effect na magpo-process para maging okay at maging presentable pa rin yung photo mo kahit hindi ka prepare. So, yun naman lagi itong mga vain, lalo na katulad ko na mahilig mag-picture, selfie, pero tamad mag-makeup. So, yun yung experience. Maganda naman for me yung portrait niya. Front and back, malinis, guys. And napaka-decent din na kanyang bokeh effect. So, yan, nakita nyo na some of its performance. Hindi pa tayo natatapos dyan because it has a lot of features too. First is may super nightscape mode din siya. So, what's good about this? It will take good and breathtaking night shots. Even ayun na nga, nasa low light or hindi masyadong mailaw na area ka, ang ganda pa rin nakuha, guys. May AI snapshots din siya and it creates great shots din even while you're in motion. So, ito yung maganda sa kanya kasi kahit nasa loob ka ng sasakyan and the car is moving, maganda pa rin yung shot mo. Hindi blurry, hindi nagalaw kasi nga may AI snapshot siya. Then, hindi lang tayo natatapos doon kasi first time ko naranasan to kay Huawei Nova 9 SE sa kanyang video recording na marami siyang features din, guys. Makita nyo dyan, meron po siyang cool continuous front and rear recording feature. At it is very helpful for filming, especially sa mga aspiring content creators. In this feature, you don't need to hassle yourself filming main camera, tapos front camera pa. In a certain scenario, separately. Kasi dito, guys, makakapag-film ka na in just one shot lang or one shooting. You can freely switch, no, from front to back na walang nasasayang na moment, no, while shooting. Second is, meron na siyang rear and rear dual view video recording. So, pwede ka makapag-capture, yes, ng puro rear, two angles. May closer angle at may wide. You can do main and wide angle cameras work together. At the third one, feature, guys, na na-enjoy ko dito is meron siyang front and rear dual view video then. So, you'll be able to shoot videos from both rear and front camera at a time. So, you can capture your reaction, yes, unfolding before your eyes. So, in other words, guys, you can have both the front and rear camera view shots at the same time. So, hindi lang yan, may pang-apat pa ka-techies na feature niya, and that is tap to snap. Yes. Etong tap to snap naman, in this feature, you can capture a full body portrait or landscape by shooting remotely via your smartwatch. Maka-capture ka kahit malayo ka sa phone mo, gamit lang yung smartwatch mo. i-connect mo lang sila. Then, yan, hindi mo na ma-miss yung moment na kailangan mo pa lumapit ulit or whatever. Kasi, just a single tap on your smartwatch, pwede ka na agad makapag-snap ng photo right away. Yan yung maganda sa kanya kahit malayo ka, diba? So, ayan, ilan lang po yan sa mga magagandang features na pwede nyong ma-enjoy dito kay Huawei Nova 9 SE's camera. So, masasabi ko nga no, na napakaganda nitong mga features niya. And to be honest with you, this is very useful para sa mga aspiring content creators dyan. Dahil hassle-free na siya, guys. Everything is in here na at pinaisip pa yung gagawin mo, diba? So, yes, this phone, guys, is Huawei Nova 9 SE's camera is indeed best for photography and videography for younger generation and for aspiring content creators then out there. So, yan, nakita niyo naman yung mga samples and performance niya. So, sa price niya, guys, etong si Huawei Nova 9 SE, ang pinakabagong mid-range phone nila, is nagkakahalaga lang po ng 13,999. And with all the features that you can enjoy here, masasabi kong napaka-worth it na niya. And of course, not only that, it has a huge screen, magandang design, it looks premium and aesthetically good. Very quick to charge lang talaga siya. So, ayan, if you consider, guys, of buying this phone, well, punta nyo lang aking description box. Ibibigay ko doon yung link. So, ayun, marami pong salamat ka-Techie sa panonood na aking video. Another video na naman na natapos natin, another review. I hope na na-enjoy nyo at sana ay nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. Huwag nyo po kalimutan i-like and mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. And again, mag-request kayo ng another phone to review sa comment section. At for sure, i-feature natin yan sa aking channel. Salamat, guys! See you again sa my next video and bye! Mwah!